Students, so in this sections, okay, I will give some examples, some problems, and I will solve that very problems using first two formula. Okay, that is when two equal bases are multiplied in the multiplication or in the division. Okay, so basically I will, in this section of video, I will just use the two formula here, first and second one. And let me write the formula first. The formula is a to the power m into b to the power n is equals to, sorry, a to the power m plus n, and a to the power m divide a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. So in this section I will just use these two formula, and I will just give some examples. See the examples. If I say the question is minus 5 to the power 3 into minus 5 to the power 1. 1 means either you write power 1 or not, it is same. So don't let me write power 1. So just we have to see the question very carefully. The question is minus 5 to the power 3, or say the minus 5 cube, and here into minus 5, or to the power 1 you may say also. So if you see the very carefully that minus 5, this we call this part of the number of the question as basis. So as you can see, the bases are here same, that is minus 5 minus 5, and what is the in between? There is multiplication. That means the two equal bases are now multiplying. So as per the formula number 1, the power will be added. So let's add this power now. So base will be same. Okay, see the formula, base is same. You just write the base same, just add their power. What is the powers? 3 and 1. That means now write 3 plus 1. And is equals to minus 5, right, same, 3 plus 1 as 4. So this is a simple solution. If we simplify, then we have to find this value also. Okay, but now I am not going to find the values. I am just going to tell you that how to use this formula. Okay, let me give you one more example. If I say the example, this is 1 and this is 2. See the example, minus 3 by 4 power minus 2 into minus 3 by 4 to the power 5. Now see, what is the question here? Minus 3 by 4 whole to the power minus 3 into minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 5. Don't look at the powers, what powers they have, plus or minus, it doesn't matter. Just you have to see whether the bases are same or not. If bases are same, then you have to check what sign is there in between. If there is into sign, if there is a multiple sign, then you have to add the power. And if there is a division or the numbers are in the fractions, we have to simply subtract the power. So again, if you see the calculate this question, again the bases are same, and we have to multiply here. That means simply we have to add their powers. So here also the base will be same. So write minus 3 by 4 same, and now we have to add minus 3 and 5. So right here minus 3 plus 5, or not, because we have to add power because the bases are in multiplication. Okay, so now minus 3 by 4 will be same. Now subtract minus 3 plus 5, simplify this now, this one, so it will be 2 only. So this is the answer. If say further simplify, then we have to find their values. Okay, now let's come to the second one, second formula. The question is minus 2 power 4 divided by minus 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, what is the question here now? The question is minus 2 to the power 4 divide minus 2 to the power minus 3. Again, if we see the question carefully, the bases are same. And we have to divide, that means we have to subtract their power now. Because bases are same and they are in division sign. So write the base same again. And now subtract this power. Now what sign we have here? We have the power is 4 here. And we have to subtract now minus 3. Don't write here randomly minus 3. It will be wrong. So what you want to do? We want to subtract 4 and minus 3. So that 4 here and then write here minus 3 in bracket. Because we want to subtract 4 and minus 3. Okay, so we have to write here 4 and minus 3. And minus 3 will be in bracket. As we are going to divide, that means power will be subtracted. Now write here, put here minus sign. So it will be minus 2 to the power 4 minus 3. So this equals to minus 2 to the power, now this is 4, and now this sign will be multiplied. So minus plus 3 and minus 2 to the power 4 minus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is a simple way. So we have to use these two very formula. Okay, I will give some questions to solve you, and if you are able to solve this, then I will give some other examples of the formula number 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay.